Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Simon, you want to ask a question, Simon? Shark boy, you want to ask something?
I'm hungry.
Chat.
Look at the chat. There's nothing in the chat. Oh, you don't want. Okay. Okay. So let's move on to our next lesson. Okay. So last time you study about the simple past
Playing
tense.
game.
Not yet. Last time you study about the simple past tense, right? Now let me ask you, have you got your book?
Hey.
Some of you haven't. Okay,
No.
some of you still haven't.
No.
Danis, you know this is recorded, right, Danis?
No.
Yes. No. No, Mister.
No,
Okay.
it's not recorded.
It is recorded. it's
No.
it's being recording.
What do you mean? I
Wait,
don't
It's
hear.
being recorded.
See the recorder.
What do you mean? It's not.
It's being recorded.
What do you mean?
Copy the Mister just
Okay.
to the recorder.
Now let's move on to our next one. Okay. So please take out your notes and take out your pencil and eraser. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Good. So
Sir, why the English book now
Study.
why the English book is what, Danis?
simple future tense or the English book is this? Why?
Wait, I'm still asking to Danis. What is it, Danis? I cannot hear you clearly.
Why English book now is this?
Yes, we change it. Because because it's better than the Supermind. Totally better. So that's why we're using that.
Grade 1 until grade.
Yes, grade 1 until grade 6, all of them change. We're not using Supermind anymore.
You, Mister.
Wow.
I can write two book.
What is it, Alexis?
The book and the book will have one wrong word.
One round word? What do you mean? One wrong
One
word?
wrong word.
What is it? I haven't checked it.
What? I do not know. I think there will be.
Maybe. We'll see. Okay. So, because not every one of you still get the book, okay, we will continue with our tenses.
Already got the book, Mister.
Yes, you already got the book, but not everyone already got the book. So, we're still going to continue with our
I
tenses.
know you people.
Yes.
Actually got two books, Mister. I got something. So what is this? No, what is
Yes,
this?
you got
I
two
don't know.
books. You got two books. The first one is for your journal. The second one is for our textbook. So your journal will be when you fill things every day.
Both of this? So we
Uh,
need both of this.
Yes, you need both of them.
Sure.
Okay. Shark boy, you want to ask something just now?
Oh.
What is it? I cannot hear you again. I just now can hear you, but now. Yes. Go ahead, Shark boy.
Study about
You already studied about what? I think you need to write it down in the chat
I
box.
want to pee.
I already gave you time, Junzo. I already gave you 5 minutes before we begin our lesson. So you have to wait another 5 minutes, okay? 5 more minutes and then you can.
There is people drilling here. I
There-
cannot hear you people drilling.
Okay. Okay, now
Ball.
we will begin with our simple past tense. Okay, wait. Chef boy is asking me something. No,
Yeah, like
we study about past continuous tense, not the future.
I cannot hear you. There's people
Oh, I
drilling.
see.
Use a headset. Use a headset, Alexis.
Why are you
If you...
talking, Mister?
Okay, wait. Let me chat you.
My mom just left to go somewhere, and then the room. I cannot grab the headset.
Okay.
I know the rumus of what is continuous tense.
Tisha, I already give you 5 minutes before we begin our lesson, so that means you will have to another 5 minutes, okay? I already gave you 5 minutes. Okay, now I want you to write this one down, okay?
Eh,
So we are going to use the past continuous tense. Okay, now can anyone tell me what is past continuous tense?
I
What is
don't know,
it?
Mr. Bell. I know the
Verb 2 plus verb A.
Okay, verb 2 plus verb ing. And then Simon say he doesn't know.
subject plus to plus where plus
The subject plus where. Okay. Okay, here, let me explain it. I already explained this one before last year, right? But let me give you again. Let me give you the explanation again. So, past continuous tense is when you explain something that happened while another thing is also happening. Okay? Okay.
Tristan, Mister.
So when you talk about something in the past, okay, when you tell someone about something in the past while something else is also happening, that means you're using the past continuous tense. Okay, Alexis, bear with it. Bear with the noise.
Mister.
In your notebook, Julian. Right in your notebook, okay? Now,
Itu satu enggak, Mister.
yes, of course. Hey, by the way, English, Julian. English. We're English though.
Itu satu enggak.
English though.
English.
English.
Mister,
Yes, Julian.
we don't know.
What do you mean we don't or no? You mean we write it or no? Yes, you write it down. Yes, you write it down, Julian. Okay? Okay. Now, the formula for this one, can anyone tell me the formula of the past continuous tense? Someone told me about subject.
plus where
Verb 2 plus
verb 2
were.
verb
Which one?
then verb
And then verb ing?
yes.
Wait a minute, okay?
No. Subject verb 2 and verb then verb A. I think.
Wait a minute, okay? Okay. Subject plus verb 2 plus verb
Is
ing.
that right in? No, wait.
I'm still asking
We
for
don't
this
use
one.
verb 2. We don't use verb 2.
We don't use verb 2, okay?
Yes.
So, like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I think you also need the was for this
So
one.
Yes, one.
I got to pee, Mister.
I already gave you 5 minutes, Julian. Wait for 5 minutes, okay? Now for Tisha and for Junzo, you may go. For Tisha and for Junzo, you may go.
I need a pee too.
I already gave you 5
Okay.
minutes before we begin our lesson.
Can I pee?
Yes, go ahead. I already gave you 5 minutes before we begin our lesson.
I want to pee, Mister.
I already gave you 5 minutes, so wait for another 5 minutes. Okay, Julian? Wait. Okay. Subject was were verb ing. Okay.
Wait, Junso can.
Junzo already
Wait,
wait
Junzo
for 5 minutes, Winston. Junzo already waited for 5 minutes. That's why. Okay. Now after the verb ing, we also use
Mister, turn off
when or
5 minutes.
while. Okay.
Wait,
Wait 5 minutes. Wait 5 minutes. Okay. When or
Bukan.
while.
Was three kau tahu turn
Okay.
off.
Okay. And then after that, Tori, second warning, Tori, your camera. Thank you. Okay. We're using when or while, and then another thing will happen too. So, For example, okay, that means this is another subject, and then verb to, and then object. Now,
Why
this
the
one
formula is so long, Mister?
yes, this one is kind of long. This one is kind of long. Okay. So now, I will give you one example. Okay, just one example. For example, Mr. Danny was teaching English when, let's see, when, who should I use? Whose name should I use? Okay. When
Simon
Sebastian
drank milk.
when Sebastian cooked chicken popcorn.
What? So,
It's so long, I know. It's so long.
people cook chicken popcorn?
Um,
Chicken popcorn.
Maybe you use a chicken and then you use some corn inside the chicken and then you fry the chicken and then the corn will pop.
I want to go to toilet.
Okay, Julian, go ahead. You may go to the toilet. And then Felicia, you also may go to the toilet.
Can I change? Stephen drank milk.
What is it, Simon?
Mister, can I change Sebastian drank milk?
Yes, you could. Drunk. You don't say drunk. You say drank. You say drank. What is it, Joanna?
Can I drink?
Can I or may I?
May I drink?
Do you have your water bottle right next to you?
It's next. It's my brother's table.
Okay, go ahead. If you want to drink when you have your water bottle near you, you don't need to ask me. Go ahead. If you want to drink, okay, and then you have your water bottle next to you, you don't need to ask me for a permission. Okay. Now, I will show you one more thing, okay? This is the same sentence. This is the same thing. Mr. Danny was teaching English while...
Do I have to write the red one?
Yes, so you only need to write down the black, the blue, and red, okay? Remember,
Okay.
black, blue, red. Other than that color, you don't need to write it down. Okay.
So I want to drink.
Okay, go ahead. By the way, take your water bottle, please. Okay, so Mr. Danny was teaching English while Sebastian, wait a minute, was cooking chicken.
Mr. Danny, Xavier is a bad. You cannot.
Okay, Julian.
Why the continue is continuous? Miss
Yes,
Devi.
continuous.
Miss Devi was drinking
Miss Davy was drinking milk.
when
Miss Davy was drinking milk when
I don't know.
when you don't know. Okay, wait.
When
Can I try?
she's teaching.
When she is teaching. Okay, when she is teaching.
Can I try?
Go ahead. Wait, before that, let's fix this one first, okay? Is it when she is teaching, or when she teach, or when she taught?
When she taught.
When she taught.
When she teach.
When she taught, use the past tense because this is in the past. Okay. Wait, Simon, okay? Felice, you want to try something?
Yes, I want to try making the sentence.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I was.
She is a teaching.
Wait, Julian. What is it?
I was
Listening to
I was having
Julian,
a
it's
lesson
Felice's
while my
turn.
brother is late.
I was.
was taking a lesson while my
Taking a
brother
lesson while my brother
played games.
played
Mr. Danny,
games. Okay, let me ask
Mr.
before.
Danny, can I take my charger?
Okay, go ahead. Okay, I was taking a lesson while my brother played games. Okay, now, is it if you use while, you have to use the verb ing. So that means while my brother was playing
Playing games.
games.
That's why it sounds weird.
Yes. So let me, because Simon also asked me, okay? Simon also asked, what is the difference between when and while? Okay? If we say when, that means we use the past tense. If we use while, we use the past continuous tense, another past continuous tense. So that is what, that is the difference. Okay. So when you said when, Mr. Danny was teaching English when Sebastian cooked chicken popcorn. That means, by the way, can I turn off some of you, please, because it's okay. Okay. So the difference are, if you use when, that means it already happened. So Mr. Danny was still teaching English when Sebastian cooked. That means Sebastian already finished cooking the chicken popcorn. But if I say Mr. Danny was teaching English while Sebastian was cooking, that means while I'm teaching, Sebastian also cooking. So that's the difference. That's why this is kind of long. Okay? Everyone understand with the past continuous tense?
Understand.
Understand. Okay.
Understand.
Okay. Now, if you understand, then you don't need to write this one down. Okay. You only need to write down the black, blue, and red. Now, I'm gonna use the pink. Okay. Can you give me an well, you already gave me some examples. Now, I want you to change the sentence into the past continuous tense. Okay, let's try with number one. You don't need to write this one. Let me remind you again, you don't need to write this one. You only need to tell me. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, wait. Some.
Ada.
Yes, that's how I cook popcorn chickens. Okay. Is it chicken popcorn or popcorn chicken, Babs? I thought it was popcorn chicken popcorn. Popcorn chicken.
Chicken
Okay.
Just use fried chicken.
Okay. Now, I want you to change the sentences into the past continuous tense. For example, Junzo is eating some spaghetti. So now how you change it into the past continuous tense?
Sorry,
Was eating some
Was
spaghetti
eating some
while
spaghetti.
when
You could use when, you could use while, it's up to you.
when he is
When he is, or he was,
when he was
when he was watching YouTube.
watching TV.
Okay, Melian and Felice, if you want to go to P, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. That's number one. Now, I want you to change another sentence. Let's say that Sean and his sister were, oh sorry, not were, baked a cake. So, what is the past continuous tense? Sean and his sister baked a cake. What is the past continuous tense? Can anyone tell me what is the past continuous tense for this one? Just try, okay? Just try. Sean and
And
his
his
sister
sister
using was or were? Using was or were?
were baking a cake.
Were baking a cake. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. So there are different. Okay, there are some difference. Okay. I will give you a little bit of note in orange. So this note, if you use was, that means this is singular.
If you
It's
use
like
was,
is.
means there is one people.
Yes.
If you use
Were, plural.
means you
It's from
it's
are. More than one.
people.
Star,
Yes, Simon.
why don't use when and while? And
Now for
subject.
number 2, so sometimes it's okay to not use it. Sometimes it's okay to not use it.
Mister,
The main point of the formula is until the object, until the verb ing and then object, the first one. But we also can change it. Okay, so let's try. We use while. Okay, let's
We have to write the
try to while. Okay, and then while. For example, while Winston is was playing Minecraft. Yes, what is it, Winston?
Did we have to write the purple and
Okay, let me ask everyone. Should we write the purple one?
no.
No! I already told you only the black, blue, and red.
Oh, Mister, do we have to write the yellow one?
Let me ask you again. Which one that should we write?
Black.
Black, blue, and red. So
Mister, yellow.
so
Do we have
only
to write
black, blue, and red. But it's up to you. If you want to write down, if you want, that's fine. But the main point, the one that you need to write is the black, blue, and red.
Mister,
What is it, Evander?
we need to write down the pink one.
Let me ask everyone again.
No.
I want to write the pink one, Mister.
If you want to write it down, that's fine. That is up to you. But you don't need to write it down. You don't have to. If you want, that's fine. You don't have to.
When do we finish?
When do we finish? I will only give until 5 numbers and then we will be finished.
Mister,
Okay?
I write the red one, but can I just write one?
I think you need to write several of them at least. So that you know the difference between when and while, Joanne. What is it, Vanya?
I just write Mr. Danny was teaching English and Mr. Danny was teaching English when Sebastian was cooking chicken popcorn. I just write that. It's okay.
So at least you know the difference between when and while, Joanne. What is it, Vanya? Sorry. Vanya?
Mister, I want to pee.
Okay, go ahead. Okay. Now, for number 3, let's say that Leticia and her sister are playing Roblox.
why not I playing Roblox? Cause I'm more like Roblox.
I already wrote it that you played Minecraft.
Me.
Okay.
to play Minecraft.
You want to play Minecraft. Okay. So number 3, if we change it into the past continuous tense, Leticia and her sister
Were
were playing Roblox. When? Let's use when. When someone doing what? Oh, by the way, this one is while. Sorry.
when Winston was playing Minecraft.
Maybe when Winston also played Roblox. How about that?
How about me? Where is me?
Okay, let's say for number 4 is Joanna. Joanna and her brother. Let's say Joanna and her brother.
Don't say we can play Roblox. No,
Make
my brother can play
a
Roblox.
cup of slime. So Joanna and her brother becomes what?
My brother just like to mess around, mister.
Your brother just like to mess around. Okay, that's fine. So in this one, Joanna and her brother, what will it be for the past continuous tense? What will it be?
Joanna
And his brother
Was or were?
Kok his.
Her.
I'm her.
I'm sorry. Was or were?
Joanna and her
Joanna and her brother
Joanna and her brother were
were
making a cup of
making
slime
a
while
cup of slime. Let's use when. Okay, we already used two whiles, so let's use when.
When Mr. Danny was teaching.
When Mr. Danny taught in grade 7. Okay, let's keep it up with that. Okay, last one, last number. Let's say William. Oh, sorry, not William. William. Sorry, William. William. Craft
William, do you have a brother or sister?
a family tree. Okay, so that means William
William was crafting a family tree.
crafting a family tree because the family tree is right behind him. That's why I just remembered about it. Let's use while his brother
Is was messing around.
messing around. Okay. How about you, William? What do you want with this one? While your brother doing what? This one, William was crafting a family tree while his brother. What do you want? While your brother doing what? While his brother was playing. Is it okay, William?
yes.
Playing what? Playing what? Tell me. Playing a ball. Okay. Good. Okay. So that is about past continuous tense. Okay. Everyone understand?
Understand.
Understand. Okay. Fanya is understand.
Understand.
Understand. Okay. So that's it for our class for today. I will stop the sharing. Okay, there is no homework, like I told you, no homework. Okay. And that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. You're not yet, Julian? Okay.
Forget the screenshot.
You want to what?
Mister, I want homework.
You want homework, Alexis?
Mister, I want homework.
Why?
Can I leave?
Okay, because we already finished, everyone may leave. Okay, bye-bye.
Mister, not yet.